Right. Hello. Right, anyway, no hammer. Every time I hit record, somebody walks in. Anyway, not working, not hammering. The motor's running fine, but she's got no kick. So I'm not getting compression inside from the piston. Now, to remove this change lever without breaking it, looks very crude. Pair of vice grips, clamped on tight, spinner, keep spinning it until it was past her notch and she just lifts off. Don't force it or you'll just end up busting it. I was hoping on just getting in from this end, but that's not going to work. To strip the whole thing. Piston's just going a bit dry. It's not getting the right seal. There's going to be another problem. The striker is stuck. Oh, spring clips. Right, that's that sleeve pulled back and that steel ring pulled off. You change the tool holder in these as well, so it's the same procedure. If you want to take the tool holder off, if the tangs were out, you need to replace it. Looks fairly solid. There's a steel ring here, look. Take it off. Get all the pins. And you can take out a tool holder. Now, there must be something else wrong with this, because them boys there shouldn't be moving. Shouldn't be jammed up either. See if I can get that out. It's never a good sign. That is wedged done. I suppose done a good bit of damage in this one. There we go. Maybe it didn't do too much damage. That's just a rubber bumper O-ring basically. Take the shock out of it. That's just disintegrated. So I have to replace that. I'll replace the O-rings on the piston and the striker. And I hopefully think that'll get it running again. Have to order these things on